Hi, I'm Dan Yates from the University of Pittsburgh. I work in the Pitt Makerspace at the Swanson School of Engineering as the Innovation Project Coordinator. Here we are currently prototyping face shields to help with the COVID-19 pandemic. So what we're doing is laser cutting a bunch of different types of plastic like PETG, vinyl, and trying to create a design that will be very easily manufacturable out of a bunch of different materials, but that only uses one piece of one material. So this is our 3D printer farm. We're using it to prototype and fabricate a lot of different solutions to the various supply chain problems of the COVID-19 pandemic. What I'm printing right now is a version of face shields that takes about 5 hours to print. This isn't ideal because 5 hours per face shield does not yield a lot of face shields on a daily or weekly basis. However, because we have this printer farm here, we want to make it, put it to good use and try to get face shields out immediately to the people that can use them. Additionally, we are working with our student body in the makerspace to prototype their ideas throughout these challenges of the pandemic. We send design problems to the students and they send me ideas, designs, and I can print them out either using these 3D printers, or I can use any of the other fabrication tools we have throughout our makerspaces to prototype them, to see if they work, and to do tests. And then we'll get back and go back through that design process and try to come up with great solutions to the big challenges that we're facing.